Alright, so what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and today I will be unboxing, my bad. Today I will be unboxing new Locs. I got them from wigtypes.com. So they just sent it to me, and I am about to open this box. I am so eager to open this box. Alright, so I got 6 packs because I don't know how big my head is. So like, I don't want to show y'all my braids because I'm not the best braider, but I put 12 braids in the front and 6 braids in the back. Yeah. So these are the new Locs. I've seen plenty of reviews saying that these are not natural looking like Locs is, but they look alright to me. Well, for now, they're still in a packet, of course. But okay, so like I got the color in 1B, and I got the 14-inch. So alright, yeah, these are sort of shiny. They feel light and they feel good. Like, I like them, like, so far. Yeah, they look nice. We're gonna see how they feel in my head in a few. Yeah. But okay, these are these ones right here. Let me show y'all. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna watch these or not or what, but it's like I want to show y'all my braids, but because I'm not the best braider, it's like I don't want to show y'all. But just know I got all this braided, you feel me, with the the headbands on, you feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna go install these in my head, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all with the video. So yeah. Okay, so like, I'm gonna just show y'all my braids. I'm gonna just nut up and just show y'all what happened. What happened to the flash? I need the flash. What's going on with the flash? Okay, well, the flash just came off on my camera. So what I'm gonna do is actually get a little light right here, and I'm showing y'all my braids. I got 12 in the front, and I have 6 in the back. Like, okay, when I braid my hair, I use like actual braiding hair so it can stay in and put, and then I crochet in the extra little leave out. But it's like my braids aren't the most horrible that y'all have ever seen, because I was on YouTube and I seen a bunch of horrible braids. So don't even try to, Jasmine, your hair looks retarded. Okay, I know, I get it, I understand. Like, okay, but I'm just gonna go do this, and I'm gonna be back with y'all to the video. Okay, so what I found out about this hair is that you cannot find the loop very easily because both of the ends look the same. So what I'm doing is actually finding the loop, and then, I'm sorry for talking so fast, but I find the loop, and then I take the crochet hook and I use that to stretch the hoop because they're so hard to find. And I just stick my finger right in the hoop, the loop, just to keep it. You see that? Like, and I just finished one full bag of hair in my head, and so far they feel okay. It's just that I feel like I won't look right with this style because they actually look like real dreadlocks to me. Like, I wanted it to be natural, but I'm not even sure anymore. Like, I don't know. I'm just going to get started on the next bag and then come back, I guess, unless I just come back when I finish with my whole head. But I just wanted to show y'all what one bag looks like. In my crib, you know what I'm saying. And this is 3 bags of new Locs in my head. This is 3 packs. Okay, so y'all probably wondering, what is this little piece? So I wanted the middle part, but I didn't want the part going all the way to the back of my head, like so. So I know that's gonna be covered, but like, what I did was actually tie my braids together with this new Loc, and then I crocheted the rest of it through, and I feel like it's holding in there pretty darn well. So yeah, you know. Yeah. Hi guys. Okay. So since I'm almost done with my hair, I'm gonna show y'all how I crochet it in. So of course you're gonna need a crochet hook, sis. You gonna need one. So basically what I do is I grab the hook. Obviously. I grab the hook, then I find the hole. I take it, stretch it, close the hook back up, and then I take the hook and I go under the braid. Like when I mean under, I don't go like this in my braid. I don't go like this. And then so try this again. Take it, stretch it, stretch it, stretch it, and then close it. Under it. Then I'm going under my actual hair. Collect that. Put that on there, sis. And bring it through. Grab it again. Uh-oh. Hold on, wait. Take that off there. Whoa. Okay, so like put in there till end. Close it. Grab it. Voila. Magic. See how natural that looks? It looks super natural out. Like, I wish I could see this in person. Like, it looks hella nice. Now I'm doing it on the other side because both sides are different. So now I'm just gonna find my parting. Go right here. See it. Just grab it. Oh my god. Grab it. I can sort of see the hole. So like I'm just gonna that bow. That. And then one more again on the natural part of my hair. Y'all see the natural part of my hair. Okay. Grab it. Right there. See that? Grab it. Pull that through. I don't know what this is, but you got to go. And then just pull it, and then boom. Alright, I might just do that to the rest of them. I'm not sure, like this one right here. Oh, and not, that's pretty thin, so I'm not gonna touch that. But yeah, guys, I am done. I'm done with my hair. This took about 2 hours, maybe 3. It depends on, I've been crocheting my hair for a long time, so like I'm really used to crocheting my hair, so it probably didn't, that's the reason why it didn't take me that long. But most people say theirs take like hours, like 4 hours or 3 hours. Mine took about 2 or 3 hours. But yeah, this is my hair, guys, and this is the back of it. All that. Okay, so like I left off some details. I used oh, that was a lot of energy. Alright, I bought 6 packs, right? Okay, so I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs, but I only really use about like 4.5 packs. Like, I still have these left over in my head, in my hand, and then I still have this pack. So I bought more than enough. So this should be great. Like, I think I have a pretty big head, and I fit all this in here, and I took my time and did it. So basically, I feel like that's what basically helped me out a little bit more, because normally I just be doing my hair like real fast, but this actually took time and effort. So like, I wanted this video to be pitch perfect for you guys. So yeah, I think that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and do you. I hope you have a great day. Yeah.